Hello everybody, welcome again in your online chemistry class. This is Mr. Naresh Jangid. In previous class we have discussed about one method of preparation of haloalkane. Today I will teach you next methods of preparation of haloalkanes. So second method is from alkanes. From alkanes or addition of halogen acid. We know that alkanes have one pi bond, so it shows addition reaction. Here haloalkane is prepared by electrophilic addition reaction. Very important. I repeat, we know that alkanes have one pi bonds, so it shows addition reaction. Here haloalkane is prepared by electrophilic addition reaction, so it is alkene molecule and it is halogen acid. Imagine that pi electrons are going towards that carbon, so it has partial negative charge. Therefore, negative part of halogen acid means halide ion is added to partial charge carbon atom, and then haloalkane is obtained. It is haloalkane molecule. Here two sigma bonds are formed. For example, addition of HX molecule to ethene, ethyl halide is formed. Here ethene is a symmetrical alkene. Symmetrical alkane means both double bonded C atom have similar atoms or groups. During the addition of halogen acid to unsymmetrical alkene, Markovnikov rule is followed. Very important. We have discussed in our previous class Markovnikov rule. According to this rule, during the addition across unsymmetrical double bond, the negative part of the attacking reagent attaches itself to the carbon atom carrying lesser number of hydrogen atoms. For example, it is propene molecule and it is halogen acid. Here the addition takes place by ionic mechanism. After addition of halogen acid, propane is converted into two halo propane. Here propane is a unsymmetrical alkane, so negative part of polar molecule means halide ion. Is attached to the double bonded C atom which have lesser number of hydrogen atom. So product will be 2-halopropane. It has been observed that when HBr added to unsymmetrical alkene in the presence of organic peroxide such as benzoyl peroxide, the reaction takes place against the Markovnikov rule, it is known as Karash effect or peroxide effect or anti-Markovnikov rule. We have been discussed in class 11th. For example, it is 1-butene and it is HBr molecule. When HBr is added to 1-butene, 1-bromobutane is formed. So, product will be CH3, CH2, 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 Br, 1-bromobutane. So these two conditions are so important for solve conversion type question. Markovnikov rule and peroxide effect. According to peroxide effect, in the case of addition of HBr, only HBr to alkene, the negative part of the attacking reagent will join to the C atom carrying more H atom. For example, after addition of HBr to 1-butene, 1-bromobutane is formed. Here, the addition takes place free radical mechanism. One important thing is that here anti-Markovnikov rule applies to the addition of HBr only, not to the addition of HF, HCl or HI, because HF and HCl have ionic character. HI bond is weaker, but free radical iodine combines to each other to give iodine molecule. So, anti-Markovnikov rules applies to the addition of HBr only. Now, we take a question for exercise. Complete the following reaction. Complete the following reaction. Part A, very important, it is a cyclic alkene and it is HI molecule. Here HI is added to this cyclic alkene. What will be the product here? Very important. In this cyclic alkene, methyl group is attached in this cyclic ring due to plus I effect. We have discussed in our previous class. Alkyl group show positive inductive effect. So, due to plus I effect of methyl group, pi electrons are going on that carbon. So, it has partial negative charge. So, positive charge of HI, positive part of HI molecule means proton, is attached here. So product will be it is iodomethyl cyclohexane. Part B for homework. Here HBr is added to propene, so it is propene molecule and it is SBr molecule. HBr is added to propene in presence of peroxide. What will be the product? Part B for homework. Now next, third method of preparation for haloalkane is from alcohol. From alcohols. Here, three reagents or substances are used for formation of haloalkane from alcohols. So, first reagent is with HX, with halogen acid. When alcohols are react with HX, haloalkane is formed. So it is alcohol molecule and it is HX molecule. Alcohols react with HX, then haloalkanes is formed. And here byproduct is water molecule. Here rate of reaction depends upon the nature of alcohol and halogen acids. Among the alcohols, the order of reactivity with HX is 3 degree alcohol is greater than 2 degree alcohol and 2 degree alcohol is greater than 1 degree alcohol. Similarly, 1 degree alcohol is more reactive than methanol towards HX. HCl is reacted in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, zinc chloride. In this reaction, OH group of alcohol is replaced by halogen atom. Then alcohols are converted into alkyl halide or haloalkane. HBr and Si is more reactive, so they are generated by the action of concentrate H2SO4 on sodium bromide, sodium iodide respectively. So we take an example for preparation of alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide. It is alcohol molecule and it is sodium bromide. When alcohols are reacted with sodium bromide in presence of concentrate H2SO4, then alkyl bromide is formed. In this reaction, byproduct is sodium hydrogen sulfate and water molecule. Here, bromide atom from NaBr is added to alkyl group and alkyl bromide is formed. Similarly, proton from H2SO4 is combined with OH group of alcohol, then water molecule is removed. Similarly, HSO4 minus ion from acid and sodium ion from NaBr combined to each other and sodium hydrogen sulfate is obtained as a byproduct in this reaction. Similarly, alcohols are treated with sodium iodide in presence of phosphoric acid, then alkyl iodide is formed. Here sodium dihydrogen phosphate and water molecule is also formed as a byproduct. Now next, part B. Method is by the action of thionyl chloride to alcohol with thionyl chloride. The molecular formula of thionyl chloride is SOCl2. Very important chemical reaction for your board examination. In this reaction, alkyl chloride is formed by the reaction of alcohol and thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine. So it is alcohol molecule and it is thionyl chloride molecule. When alcohols are react with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine, molecular formula of pyridine is C5H5N. Then alkyl chloride is formed and byproduct SO2 and HCl is obtained. It is known as Darjan's reaction. Very important. In this method, pure alkyl chloride is obtained, so it is the best method to prepare alkyl chloride. Here, two gaseous byproduct SO2 and HCl gas also obtained. SO2 easily escapes and HCl is absorbed by pyridine. Very important chemical reaction known as Darjan's reaction. Here, one sigma bond of carbon oxygen bond is cleavaged with one sigma bond of sulfur chlorine bond. Then alkyl chloride is formed. Similarly, one sigma bond of oxygen hydrogen bond cleavaged with one sigma bond of sulfur chlorine bond. Then HCl is formed. It is known as Darjan reaction. Alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide cannot be prepared by this method because thionyl bromide is unstable and thionyl iodide is unknown. I hope you might have liked the video. Do share this video in your friend circle. Thanks.